what's under the hood. Understanding is a brush stroke of paint on the face. I got $27 getting my memory erased. You got that red blood. You got American blood. Bernie's drawing pictures on the griddle and greasy, getting thick in the middle with the liquid disease. Now they're chewing up his French fries like cows do their cud. You go to sleep in the barnyard, gonna wake up in the mud. You got that red blood. You got American blood. Too many misfires, too many mistakes. I'm too old to start over. I'm young enough to change. I'm surrounded by hustlers, liars, and